In this video, we team up with Keith Lutcher from NorthShoreFishingReport.com. There you will find real local fishing reports all over the North Shore. Also, be sure to go check out Magnolia.Outdoorsman.com and follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and if you haven't already, hit that red subscribe button so you don't miss any future videos.
Well, if it's not moving, is it down?
I think it would be lower.
I thought it was in the bank.
If you look at it, it seems like it's slowly falling.
Yeah, the grass.
Maybe we're at the end of the falling.
Up there?
Yeah, switch to a top off. Kind of mimics a shad. So I'm noticing they're a little off the grass line. So decided to get away with this with the treble hooks. That's just a repeller shad covered top off. He was off the grass. I'm not ready to lose this thing yet. I mean, nice cast, but oh, bro, that's a good one. Coming right here. Oh, I don't know if I got him. Oh. That's what we're looking for.
Talk about that one.
Well, so got my lure stuck. So I don't know if flipped under that overhang, which it seems a little deeper on this side. So he was right there off of a piece of grass, a little patch of grass. I can't get him undone. There we go.
Let's go get another one.
Yeah.
Hold on.
Oh, he's good.
Popper, huh?
Popper, producing.
And there's a little ditch right here with that water coming out.
Fish around here, see if we can pick up a few more.
Stay down, stay down. Stay down. Yes. One button is not working. Nothing's working. Well. Here we go.
He spit
Oh.
it. He spit it.
What you thinking as far as the grass when it changes, or?
Yeah, so swapped over to this side. There's a little more diversity in the grass, you know. From the shoreline, it might come out 15 foot and there might be some gaps, and I think that's where we're finding more fish. Wherever there's the grass is a little more diverse, and it ain't just matted. Where that grass comes out a little deeper. And as y'all can see, most of our bites are coming, you know, 10, 15 foot off the bank. So
I can let this drop down a little bit further.
don't jump, sucker. They want you to jump. You swallowed that good.
Yep.
I had some color. Oh.
There it is.
Oh, you got it.
Right.
On the board. And you know, we were just talking about maybe it was the color.
It was the color.
That's a good one.
Take that. He swallowed it
Yeah,
down.
he swallowed it.
Yep.
On the
All right,
flute.
let's get some more.
Yeah. Saltwater assassin, huh?
Yeah, I like this lure. So I switched over. Y'all can see that's a saltwater assassin in a crystal shad color. I like that color a lot better. It allows me to see the actual lure farther out and see when they tag it. So also allows me to fish a little bit beneath the surface than I'm used to. There we go.
Another decent one.
I like that. I like that saltwater assassin.
Might have to switch back to it.
Yeah. Yeah.
You seem to be catching, even if they're not real big, you're catching. Switched to a Texas rig, Tequila Sunrise. It's actually a Berkeley power bait. Jeez.
Yeah. So that move that we made, we're in the main canal here on Bonfouca.
There you go. Another one.